RAKBANK balance transfers app. The pros, the cons. If you're carrying credit card debt, the RAKBANK balance transfers app promises an easy way to consolidate and save, but is it truly worth it? One of the biggest pros is cost saving. Most people get this wrong by assuming balance transfers are complicated. With RAKBANK's app, you can move your outstanding debt from one card to another, often at lower interest rates. For example, if your current card charges 18% per, a transfer to a RAKBANK card offering 0% for 6 months can save hundreds in interest. The app also provides convenience. You can initiate transfers, track remaining balances, and set reminders for payments directly from your phone. Real-time updates ensure you know exactly how much you owe and how long until the promotional rate expires. Another advantage is flexibility. You can transfer multiple balances, choose repayment schedules, and view potential savings before confirming the transaction. This allows you to plan strategically and avoid surprise charges. However, there are cons. Some users report delays in processing transfers, especially during weekends or public holidays. Fees may apply if you transfer high amounts and the promotional interest rate is temporary, so failing to pay off the balance in time can lead to high costs. In conclusion, the RAKBANK Balance Transfers app is perfect for those looking to save money and simplify payments. The surprising truth is that while it reduces interest, careful planning is essential to avoid late fees or reverting to higher rates. If you manage it correctly, this app can be a financial lifesaver, but it's not a set it and forget it solution.